let's try that just a little bit slower. Okay. So slow it down, like 3 and 4 and okay. Like just bring it down, nice and slow. 1 and 2, 3, go. Okay, I think we're gonna try switching gears here. All right, let's get started. Oops. All right, so first. Whoops. Okay, the first thing we're going to do today. Oh. All right, let's start. Oh. Oops. Okay, here we go. Oh, shoot. Oops. Whoops. Solution. Butt end inside the rim. Solution. Horizontal across your pad. So you lift. Hold on. So you lift your foot and hit it while it's open? No, just hit it while it's open. Yeah, and then close it and hit it at the same time. That's the idea. So open hi-hat. Yep, and the first thing you have to do, you play a bar of 8 notes. Louis. So you're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
No. Okay.
I was born ready. Oh, right. No, it's not on the right note. Okay. No, it's still not good. Okay. Okay, I'll try it again. No, that's all. Oh, slower.